Hello traders, it's Yanis here and I would like to welcome you to our Renko Forex forecast. Okay, today I have chosen some pairs that look promising. Of course, on our live room every day we go through everything and we have a current watch list that is updated daily, so it's much more better to join us so you can get also one more asset for your trading. Now, I will start with Aussie. As you already see, I am going, well, actually I'm waiting to go long. I was waiting for a 1, 2, 3 with a higher high, and this is exactly what I got. And now I have a really nice retracement, or I'm about to get one, and I am focusing on an opportunity for 300 plus pips. That is of course something that we will monitor daily in our live room, and when the time is right we will take the trade. On CADCHF you can see already that I have my retracement. This is our approach from last week. We were expecting also, or waiting if you want to, or we would like the price to give us a nice retracement. That has already happened, and once more this would be a nice M24 opportunity going for 400 pips, or as always we can combine that with a lower settings entry as soon as we get our combination. So keep an eye on CADCHF. Let's go now to GBP New Zealand dollar. On GBP New Zealand dollar, in our watch list we were waiting for a breakout, and this is exactly what happened. Okay, next step, what we do? We go to our higher settings, check how far short price can go, and we are talking about for a lot of room. And as always what we are waiting for is a nice retracement, and as soon as we get one we know how and when we can trade that to take advantage of the volatility plus at least 500 pips. So focus short on GBP New Zealand dollar for now. Now, as you can see, sorry, on EURUSD, we are not on an early entry, but we have volatility and we have a lot of room to cover. We always focus on an early entry, but that doesn't mean that when we have a really nice volatility we will not enter, of course according to the rules and always following money management rules. So again, another opportunity with a retracement. Maybe I don't get a one on 36 EMA, but maybe on M24 like price is doing here on 24 EMA. What I know for sure is as soon as I get one a retracement, we are talking about more than 900 pips. So that's why I'm focusing short on EURUSD. Again, on our live trading room, all these scenarios might change, but for now with what we have and what the chart is telling us, we are going short. On New Zealand dollar CAD, as you can see here, I'm waiting for the price to move higher. I have higher highs, higher lows. This is what I'm looking for now. A retracement, well, a 1, 2, 3 or an ABC above these areas. I have the reaction, and if you go on much more higher settings, where not many people are doing that, you will see that this was a very powerful downtrend that is over. Tip to tip, we are talking about 1,800 pips. Why not price retrace all the way up here? With an opportunity, I could target, of course, 600 pips or even previous highs, which is more than enough, 370. But the bigger picture is going for this area. Aim high. On lower settings, what I'm looking for, like I said, is an opportunity after that retracement. New Zealand dollar CAD going long. Keep a very close eye on this pair. As you can see on Euro USD, we have a very powerful trend continuation, and not only that, price retraced above my support / resistance and broke it again. This means price wants to go, it wants to continue. Who am I to argue with that? Price hasn't created a lower low, so that means on lower settings again 100% as soon as we get the retracement and we get, of course, all our filters met, we are going short. Again, we are going for 380 pips, but that doesn't mean we will close our last position on that area. We always leave our last position running. Remember that. And last but not least, Euro New Zealand dollar. Again, you see here we had a retracement that we were waiting for, and again 2 to 3 line has broken, price has already given me a lower low, and we are talking about a lot of room to go. We are targeting 700 pips. If you are not in, okay, that's not my fault, but what you can do is wait for another retracement, apply the rules. It's not an early trade, lower risk, going short. Don't forget money management rules. Again, going short on Euro New Zealand dollar, we follow the main trend. And that's it for our forecast. As always, during the live room, all pairs will be updated in our watch list accordingly. Have a beautiful weekend, stay safe, and see you again tomorrow afternoon. Bye bye everybody, cheers.